farmers, the biggest mafia ever. That's why they will never create a medication to heal. They will create a medication to cause a side effect, to heal one thing and cause 100 million things bad in your body. In other words, to keep you stuck to that doctor of yours. And the more you go, the sicker you become. And the biggest money maker is chemotherapy. There is cure for cancer. There is cure. God, the Almighty God, has placed everything which the body needs in Mother Nature, in the plants, in the trees, in the shrubs, and everywhere. There is medication, natural, organic, that can make your immune system, which is the most powerful defense mechanism which God, through His wisdom, put in every human body's immune system. There are so many things you can make this immune system strong. Nothing can touch you.